What's up, everyone? Welcome back to AI on Crypto. On this channel, we talk about cryptocurrency prices and trends, altcoin gems, all things on the blockchain, doing what we can to help fill your bags to the max while keeping you far away from Rex City. Today, we're going to talk about the markets as a whole, seeing as how on this day, Sunday, March 14th, Bitcoin is now at all-time highs, breaking 60,000. Ethereum very close to 2,000. And we've got a lot of coins in price discovery right now, and it is an exciting time to be alive. The world of finance is being revolutionized. The world of technology is being revolutionized, and the concept of decentralization is creeping into every market segment on the planet. And it's a true revolution because throughout the history of mankind, we've lived under centralized systems. From monarchies to democracies, power and money and wealth is always centralized. But blockchain is bringing decentralization and creating opportunities where there were previously not. And my oh my, it's exciting, guys. Hey, but before we get into it, if it's your first time here, please subscribe. I'd love to add you to the community. Tap the bell for all notifications. And if you like what you see, hit thumbs up. It helps spread the content around YouTube, and I appreciate it. Okay, let's take a look at the markets, guys. Okay, we can see at the top here that over the last 7 days, Bitcoin is up almost 20%, 17 and a half, $60,247 for the king, Bitcoin. And whoa, how high is it gonna go? I'm thinking 100K, but who knows, guys? And remember, cryptocurrency is incredibly risky. I am not a professional financial advisor. Do your own homework. Consult a professional if you need to. Ethereum $1,889, Binance Coin $265, Polkadot $37, Cardano $1.07, XRP 44.5 cents, Uniswap 31.45, Chainlink 29.32. So the top 10 doing good. Dogecoin is at just under 6 cents, 5.9 cents. And guys, the crypto markets are hot. And we have a lot of things coming that I think is going to keep this bull run going. I mean, with Cardano, we're going to have the Goguen launch soon where we're going to have smart contracts. So there's going to be native assets on Cardano. So just think about Ethereum when all of these native assets started popping up on it. Chainlink, Aave, Synthetics, Rin, Uniswap. A lot of the coins in the top 50 are native assets to the Ethereum ecosystem. So Cardano is about to have its smart contract era and the native assets that will be great opportunities for crypto investors there. XRP and the Flare network. So the Flare network is bringing smart contracts and DeFi and NFTs to the XRP ledger. That is super exciting for the XRP community. There's other ecosystems out there as well that are, reaching these new levels. Polkadot being one of them. The market is rife with opportunity. Now, I want to take a look at Chainlink right now. Chainlink is one of my favorite coins. Now, when you look at the 90-day here, you see that there's this nice ascending triangle. This nice triangle that's making a pattern of lower highs but also higher lows. So we're having lower highs and higher lows. This is going to meet at the end of that triangle, and it's going to either go up or down. But because the trend is your friend, we're in a bull market, and Chainlink is an incredible project. When you look at the 90-day chart of Chainlink, I'm thinking right now we're seeing Chainlink right before it does something really big. So, I'm putting little bits of money when I can into Chainlink right now. I think it's a great opportunity. XRP, let's take a look at XRP right now. Let's zoom out on that 90-day. And we can see that we're in the end of a consolidation as well for XRP. We actually do have a pattern of higher lows. And, all we need is a little bit of good news. And I think XRP is going to go and approach its all-time highs. There's no real reason why it won't. And with the Flare network coming, I don't see how you can be anything but bullish with XRP. So for those of you who don't know, the Flare network is going to bring all kinds of amazing smart contract features to the XRP ledger, and it's going to do so and allow for things like NFTs as collectibles, games, and financial instruments. It's going to allow for decentralized finance, decentralized exchanges, but it's not going to have the fees that you have on the Ethereum network. And I'm not saying that's going to make the Ethereum network go away, but it's a very exciting time for the XRP ecosystem. And that's why you saw the BitTrue coin. So there's an exchange that really focuses on XRP, and it focuses on a lot of the things happening on the XRP ecosystem, Flare being one of them. And you can see that today the BitTrue coin is up 63% to almost 40 cents. Earlier in the day, it did get up to 50, but it was 18 cents yesterday. So I look at the BitTrue coin going up in value as a strong indicator that the XRP community is starting to get pretty bullish, guys. So Chainlink, I'm really excited about over the next couple of weeks. XRP, the Flare network, Cardano. You see, when Cardano starts having all these native assets, it may or may not pump the price of Cardano. Because what's going to happen when native assets hit the Cardano blockchain, you're going to have holders of Cardano start buying some of these native Cardano assets. And this can have actually an adverse effect on the Cardano price, because many of the people that buy the native assets will actually be Cardano holders. And I think that happened to Ethereum, because like when you look at the summer of DeFi that we just had, all of these DeFi coins were absolutely pumping while the Ethereum price was staying flat. But when you really think about it, people were buying all those coins with Ethereum. So really you had the Ethereum blockchain ecosystem growing, but all those native assets were getting the pump. That could possibly happen with Cardano. But I want to bring this right here. So this is a little thing on Stellar Lumens. So if you don't know, Stellar Lumens and XRP, they're kind of linked in some ways. Jeb McCaleb was the founder of both of these currencies. And both of these currencies are going to be augmented and enhanced by the Flare network. So check this out. This is on the NASDAQ. So very cool article in the mainstream financial literature here. So let's take a look at this article. The crypto surge continues to turn heads, pushing the market capitalization of Bitcoin to over 1.2 trillion as of February 20th. Last month has been relatively tough for Bitcoin, but it has rebounded well recently. Though Bitcoin is the apple of most crypto investors' eyes, it's imperative to look at other currencies that are becoming popular. Stellar Lumens, for example, has been killing it recently, climbing over 200% in the last 3 months. It was priced at just 13 cents at the start of the year and now stands at over 39 cents. The outlook of the currency is bullish, as most analysts believe it will rise significantly above its current levels. Stellar is essentially an open source network that runs on the blockchain. The blockchain improves the overall efficiency of transactions, reduces cost, and saves time. It was developed in 2014 by Jed McCaleb, who is also the co-founder of Ripple. Later, he partnered with Stripe CEO Patrick Collison in the development of the Stellar Foundation, which supports the adoption of the Stellar Lumens payment network. One of the more unique aspects of the platform is its incredible speed. It can settle cross-border payments in a matter of seconds. Such transactions traditionally take from a few days to a week to approve. Additionally, a fixed number of XLMs exist, which can neither be mined nor awarded by Stellar, making Lumens an excellent store of value. Recent developments with the coin: there have been several developments that have boosted Stellar's outlook. First, it recently launched an update for its network called Horizon 2.0. The update will utilize fewer resources, boost the network's efficiency, and improve its flexibility. Moreover, institutional investors are becoming more interested in cryptocurrencies, helping the Lumen and other less talked about cryptocurrencies. The Lumen has been one of the more popular cryptocurrencies among institutional investors. For instance, Grayscale Investment recently purchased 35 million of Lumens. Furthermore, Stellar recently announced that it was working with the Ukrainian government to develop a digital currency for the country's central bank. Okay, so a lot of that stuff's old news, but so that article along with this one right here that talks about the Flare network integrating XLM as an F asset. So Ripple-backed Flare network has announced the integration of Stellar Lumens to bring smart contracts to the digital asset, according to an official announcement made by Flare on Twitter. Flare will be integrating XLM as an F asset, bringing XLM to scalable smart contracts, and is a trustless gateway to Stellar. Decentralization is far too important for maximalism. Ecosystems must be united. So this F asset protocol will allow the transformation of any crypto into a smart contract asset, while also ensuring participation in the decentralized finance ecosystem. The same was expanded upon by Hugo Filion, co-founder of Flare Networks, in a recent interview. The F asset protocol is to try to enable the movement of tokens from networks such as XRP Ledger to the XRP token onto Flare so that it can be used with those Ethereum smart contracts we were discussing a second ago, so that we can essentially build this rich application environment for these sources of value that do not currently have access to smart contracts. Okay, guys, I just wanted to read that because there's all kinds of bullish news on not only Stellar, but also XRP, and a big reason is the Flare network. So we all love Ethereum. It's awesome. It's king of smart contracts, but they have the scalability issues. They have the high fees. The Flare network is going to bring all this stuff to an already big, healthy community, the XRP community. And I just have a hard time seeing the bull market ending, going into a bear cycle when all this stuff is yet to occur. So all this stuff is going to still be launching this year. Are we going to have a bear market in the midst of all this development? I don't know, guys. You know, nobody knows exactly what's going to happen with crypto. And one of my friends who is a traditional investor, he told me this: bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. So you never want to get too greedy. You know, if you're making great money, take your profits. If you're in small altcoins that pump big, put it in safer assets. Put some profits in safer assets. Keep a moon bag, whatever. But guys, do your own research. I'm not a pro. But with all of these developments, I don't see the bull market ending soon because Polkadot is just getting going. The Conflux network over in China is picking up major steam. It's another big blockchain that's scaling, and you know, it's just so exciting. And we're about to have blockchain affect the gaming industry, which is one of the fastest growing market segments in all of the world and has been for the last 20 years. And the blockchain's, in my opinion, about to absolutely revolutionize that industry. So anyways, guys, I hope you like this market analysis. If you didn't already do it, hit subscribe, tap the bell, give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you on the next video.